viewers, in our previous video we have discussed about shortcut method to find the LCM within a few seconds, and today we are going to discuss about behavior of lines and existence of solutions. Behavior of lines means that is the lines are intersecting and lines lies on each other or lines are parallel to each other. In this video we discuss only about intersecting, line lies on each other and parallel lines. If these lines are intersecting, then one point is common. If one point is common, that is, in that case only one solution, that is unique solution. And in case line lies on each other, then there are so many points common to them, then there are so many solutions. And if lines are parallel, then it means that there is no common point, that is no solution. So let us discuss briefly. In this table, first column is serial number 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cases. And the second is pair of lines. You have to given 2 lines. And next column is A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. And the next is comparing the ratio. Comparing ratio, that is comparing these 3 ratios. That is whether these 2 are equal or 3 are equal, whether 2 equal and not equal to third one. And the next is graphical representation. Graphical representation means that is lines are intersecting, lines lies on each other or lines are parallel to each other. And the last column is algebraic interpretation. Algebraic interpretation means that is the solution is unique. So many solution or no solution. So let us discuss one by one. First case is there are 2 given lines and the lines are, equation is 2x minus 2y plus 0 equal to 0. First of all, you have to find out the A1, that is 2, B1 that is minus 2 and C1 that is 0. And the next is second line is 3x plus 4y plus 20 equal to 0. And the general form of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here this is a2 and this is b2 and this is c2. Here a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. First of all, find the ratio, that is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 that is 2 by 3, b1 by b2 that is minus 2 by 4, c1 by c2 that is 0 by 20 that is 0. When 0 is divided by any number, then its answer is 0. Here a1 by a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4, that is these 2 ratios are not common. And viewers, remember that if these 2 ratios are not common, then it means that these are intersecting line. If these are intersecting lines, then one point is common, this point. If this point is common, only one point common, then it means that only unique solution. Unique solution, that is only one solution and not any other solution. And the second one is, again there are 2 lines but of different type, as in case of 1. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, and the second line is x plus 9y minus 27 equal to 0. There are 2 equations, and in previous case I have already told you that How A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 find? Here A1 B1 C1, A1 2, B1 3 and C1 equal to minus 9. And similarly from the second equation, A2 6, B2 9 and C2 is minus 27. And in that case, ratio is 2 by 6, that is A1 by A2 2 by 6, 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3 cut, and the second is 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3, and third one is minus 9 over 27, negative negative cancel, 9 3 that 27, 1 by 3. After cutting, all these are equal, that is 1 by 3. A1 by A2 ratio is also 1 by 3, B1 by B2 ratio is also 1 by 3, and C1 by C2 ratio is also 1 by 3. That is all these three ratios are equal. If all these three ratios are equal, then it means that lines lie on each other, that is second line lies on first line, and in that case there are so many common points, infinitely many points which are common. If infinitely many points are common, then it means that it have infinitely many solutions. And the third case is there are two equations, and now in this case you are familiar with A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. That how can we find A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2? In the first case, A1 by A2, that is 1 by 4. Second case is B1 by B2, that is 2 by 8, and the third case is C1 by C2, that is 4 over minus 24. If we closely watch them, then this is 1 by 4, and the second after cutting also 1 by 4, but third is not 1 by 4. It means that first two are equal, that is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Then in that case these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, then here in this case you clearly, there is not any common point. In the first case there is one common point, in the second case so many common point, but in this case, in the case of parallel lines, there is not any common point. If there is not any common point, then it means that it have no solution. Then viewers, here in this case we have discussed about behavior of lines, that is lines are intersecting, lines are parallel, that or lines are lies on each other. That this is the case of behavior of lines. And the next case is which we have discussed about existence of solution, that is solution is, in this case solution is unique, in this case there are infinitely many solutions, and in the case of parallel lines there is no solution. So if you like our video, then like it, share it within your Facebook group, WhatsApp group, or any other social media platform like Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe it and press bell button so that you receive our next interesting video very first. And thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.